Here's how to report a player in Roblox. So first of all, open your web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now find the player that you want to report, or you can go ahead and search for them using the search bar in the top. Go ahead and open their profile. Then after, tap on the three dot next to the chat option. And from the menu that appears, you'll get the option of report abuse that is below the block user option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now this will open a new tab where you need to go ahead and select the subject. Go ahead and describe using your own words in the comments section, which is optional. Then tap on submit in the bottom right corner of your screen. Roblox will review your report and take appropriate action. Your information won't be shared with any user you report. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.